pressed in, you pop it out. Slowly pull out the steering wheel. Transformer. One, two, three, four connectors, and we have also 1, 2 on our side. These are all the connectors coming to the steering wheel. So we have this one to the ignition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 connectors in total. Now we're gonna disconnect this clip, and after we're gonna move the wiring away. We're gonna lower the steering column. So now we're gonna loosen this 12mm nut, and on another side we have this 12mm nut, and we're gonna be able to lower the steering column. So let's loosen them now. So first one is loose, and here is the second one. As you can see, it's already coming down. Now it's pull down this handle and you pull out the upper part of the steering column. So now we're gonna put it on the side, and I'm gonna remove power steering motor, because we need to remove the motor out and replace that plastic gear inside that is worn out. When you're lowering the steering column, you will have to remove this nut, and this bolt. The bolt is going right here. You'll need to take it out, and actually it's holding this bushing. This bushing goes into that bracket, and the bolt is holding it in place, just like this. And all this job just to get access to this motor. Now we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna replace the part. Now we can remove these screws around. 1, 2, and this is number 3. Once we have them removed, one, 2, and all this job done, just to replace this $3 part, steering coupler. Now we're gonna put it back together. So we have all the electrical connectors connected back. Now we can start the car.